Durumeni ya kamite ya kurugamirira ruhonge rwa borithi riwe kumurika maofitha a kuma gicigo-ini kia Rift Valley kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2 ciukite. Muikariri giti wa kamite iyo Johnson Kavuludi augite uthuthuria uyu ritabanagio muingi-ini kuona ni marabatara kugarura mbica iria ikoretwo iriho imegie.
One of the things that have been of great concern to the public is that the image of the traffic police officer has not been wholly positive. We need to find out what is it that has given negativity to the image of the traffic police officer.
Oho ni augite mundu uri na ripoti o yothe egie ofitha a borithi mwena ucio no ameneane niguo mutaratara ucio ukinyanire.
We would really appeal to the general public to give us information that will positively mirror the police officer that has done well, or encourage that police officer to continue to do well. Conversely, we'll expect if there are any issues of a negative kind that the public feels we need to address and which may lead to the removal of a police officer who may not be found desirable, then the public should come across and give us that information. If not publicly, it can be done in confidence.
Kahinda-ini o kau Kavuludi ni ateterithitie ati gutiri na ngucanio gatagati gake na munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet. Ginyagia riu maofitha 1566 nio mathurimitwo na ingi ao ni mahitukite. Gladys Kigo, Inooro TV.